We all know that Android is a pretty versatile ecosystem. There's a lot you can do with your smartphone in terms of customization and other things. You could change the way it looks, you could change the icon shapes and sizes. In fact, I did a video on that. If you click the pop-up up here. And in the last couple of days, I've been doing some digging on what more you can do, and I came across something called Android experiments. It's a part of a bunch of experiments that Google does with different systems of theirs. You have Chrome experiments, VR experiments, AR experiments. It's pretty much everything that Google does can be classified as an experiment. This one is the first one I came across. I'll be looking into the other ones, and if it's interesting, I'll do a video. It's essentially a wallpaper that allows you to play games on your home screen. Games like pinball, Pac-Man. It's pretty lean, but it shows exactly what you can do with the Android system. Alright, so once you've loaded the APK that I've linked in the video's description, just open it up and you choose whatever options you feel like playing. We've got Invaders, Block Drop, Maze Man, and Pinball. Obviously these are just Maze Man is Pac-Man, Space Invaders is still Space Invaders, Blockinger is Block Drop, Pinball, Vector Pinball. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose Pinball. Then you're given the option to set it as a wallpaper. I'm gonna set it as my home screen just, and once that's set, I've got these two controllers for the game. So there we go. Yeah, I'm not very good at this game, and it has been a while since I played pinball. Anyway, so yeah, this is how you play these games. You just choose whichever one you want, set it as your home screen, and boom, you can play whatever game you want. I'm gonna go for Blocking It now. Set wallpaper, home screen, and then you do have to change which controls you want. They've given a few widgets, so if I'm to choose a widget, this one's saying I need the up down control. I place that on my home screen anywhere. Let's get rid of this one. Requires left right controls. Oh, that was an oversight. Widgets, left right. All right. Alright, and when you're done playing, because obviously you might not want to have this as your wallpaper, or maybe you do, this one doesn't look that bad, and when you're done with the game, you can go ahead and switch back to your normal wallpaper. I use backdrops for that. If you want to see what other apps I use, you can click the pop-up on the right hand top corner and watch that video that I made. So anyways, there you go. That's how you play arcade games on your home screen. It's a very cool experiment. It is 2 years old, however. If it hasn't been updated at this point, then probably they've abandoned that experiment. But it is cool to know what else you can do with Android. As this is an experiment, you can't find the app on the App Store, but I did get the project files and managed to compile it and get an APK, which I've extracted and linked below if you're interested. If you wondered what else you could do with your Android phone, it turns out there is quite a bit, and I will keep on digging for more weird stuff you can do with your Android phone. But that's it from me for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it remotely interesting, I request you to subscribe, hit that like button, tap the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. And I'll see you on Friday.